Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. I hate being at like Lower Bay area, Yorkville area, but I need to go to Louis because I need to get one of my clays fixed. So I popped in, or I'm gonna go pop in now. Got my morning coffee. Actually, it's not even a coffee, it's a blueberry fog. So yeah, anyways, they open soon, so I'm gonna go in. Let's go. Oh my god, those are killer. I love that so much. I don't know what they're called. So cute. Last time I was here, I was with Alex. I'm so sad because Romario's gone. I love that. This is so cute. And it has a strap. Look at that Sherpa scarf, so cute. This is also cute. I love the men's line. Like, that is a cute messenger bag. I think it can be like a cross pack. I really want this soft trunk. I think it's so cute. And I love the chain detailing. But this one's also cute. But this is like hella expensive now. So I just checked. This thing is like $4,050. Yikes. And I don't know what this is. I'm gonna check as well. This is the mini soft trunk. This one's $3,000. Yikes. Love this one. This one's so stinking cute. It's a mini keeple. Stop. This one's $3,100, which it's all leather. So I feel like that's not bad. I love this thing. So I came up to see Chanel, but it looks like they are renovating. So they have a temporary boutique. Oh, let's go over there. I love these. These are so cute. 1875. Jesus. And then the jelly sandal everyone's talking about. 135. Oh my god, it's so cute though. How cute is that? It's pretty slim pickings right now. That's really cute though. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's like a wristlet thing. Okay. Okay, I'm now at Eaton Center. I need to go to Aerie and maybe I'll hop into Wilfred because spring stuff coming out. But Aerie has a bathing suit I want, so I want to go grab it. Look how pretty. I love the display. Okay, swim is 30. I'm looking for the purple one. There it is. I want this and I want the bottoms. Sweet. Actually, great place to do outfit of the day. Vuitton slouch coat, Sicily tank top, Sicily cardigan, effortless pants, Le Chateau boots, Chanel bag, serpentine, large diamond, boyfriend chain, Waldor watch, Lisa Gosling, thin bangle. This one is heirloom. Then I have thin, Signet, and then I stacked the croissant and the LA Dome. These pants are so similar to the Aritzia ones that I bought, the velour ones. They are literally the same ribbed velour material. I'm wearing a medium and these are regular length, but they're a bit long on me. Like, this is me on my tippy toes. I feel like I might need a large, but so cute. They're only like 40 bucks right now. Here's my outfit without the coat. It's my bag. Mixing metals. Stop into Wilfred and then I'm gonna go because the mall's getting so busy. I hate it. This is why I don't like coming here. Anyways, I want to see what's new and see if there's any, like, look at the spring colors. So cute. This little skirt. It's called a chariot. Matching, only hip. And then this one, look, chariot. You can do it. So I bought this top initially, this one in like a polka dot pink. It's the ballad, but I don't like how it looks on me, so I ended up giving it away to someone. But they have really cute colors now. I thought this was a TNA item. Is it Wilfred? Oh, I guess it's Wilfred. I thought it was the Divinity was a TNA item. I don't know why, I just did. It's so loud in here. Nothing that interesting. Oh my god, they have that dress that I like. This one. This Little House on the Prairie dress. This is new too, I've never seen this. I feel like this would be better for my body type, the ballet. Oh my god, they have the little cropped jacket in the pink. So cute with the effortless would be so cute. This whole like new season really reminds me of Alex because she loves yellow and she loves pink, and it's all yellow and pink. Oh my gosh, one of y'all just stopped me. If you're watching Kia, thank you so much for saying hi. I didn't vlog her because we were just chatting, but it's so nice to meet you. All right guys, we are back and Harley's with us now. I'm gonna show you guys what I ended up getting. So I dropped off my Louis Vuitton Clay's key pouch for reglazing because it was just like breaking, and that was $160, but I won't get that for another like 12 weeks or something. Like they said it would take a long time. So that's that. I was gonna purchase a new one, but they're like $500 now, or like $395 or something. And honestly, if I bought a new one, then I'd have an old one, and then what am I gonna do with two of them? You know, one I'm gonna use and then the other is just like collecting dust. So I just felt like to be more sustainable, I would get that reglazed because it's not broken, it can just be fixed. So now I have a haul that Harley is really interested in. He loves, oh, thank you, Harvey. Thank you. Okay, so this is the first thing I got from Aerie. It is a bikini top. I had a ribbed purple, like lilac purple bikini from Joe Fresh before. If you watched my videos from last year, you would have seen it. It got destroyed. I went to St. Anne's and then the water just destroyed it. So I found this one from Aerie. I got a size small on the top, not because like, I could have probably went up to a medium, but because it's a tie back, like it actually did work. So I don't have the biggest titties in the world, so a small was fine. And then I ended up getting this bottom, which is a crisscross, and it's really cute. I was very bloated, or I am very bloated because I'm on my period, so I didn't show any try on because I'm very bloated. So this is what the bottoms look like. They were on sale for $30. To be honest, I saw it online a while ago and it was $27.99 and I didn't buy it then. And then I saw that they were having the $30 sale, which is even more than the $27.99. And then they sold out in my size. So then when I saw that they had it at the store, like I just went to the store to get it. So these are the bottoms. They're high-waisted and then they're cheeky. I really like that. So that's my matching set. And then at Holt Renfrew, I got a little something, which my friend Leslie, or thank you Les on Instagram, I always talk about her because I've been talking to her a lot these days. She posted that Holt Renfrew had this book called Lynn's Lucky Red Envelope. It was $25, just about this girl named Lynn and like her little tiger. I wanted to buy the tiger too, but they didn't have that anymore. So I just bought the book and yeah, it's really cute. It's just, it has Chinese as well, which is really cool. So I got this for my sister who she's having a baby. So I got this for her baby because her baby's gonna be born Year of Tiger. So I thought this would be a really good book for the baby to learn about half of their ethnicity. So I thought this was great. And then my mommy can read this to the baby, like that would be really good. And then like relatives can read this to the baby because it's half in Chinese, half in English. So baby will get best of both worlds. I really wanted to find this tiger, but they didn't have it. Anyways, that's what I got today. And I'm gonna put it back in here because why does it look like it's, the pages are all weird. Like it's not closing properly, but it doesn't look like something happened to it. Okay, anyways, that's it.